And welcome back. Well, it seems like every day there are advances in cosmetic surgery to help us look younger, more rejuvenated, and more rested. Sometimes it's as simple as filler and Botox. Other times it's a full facelift or a tummy tuck. Our next guests do it all. Please welcome Dr. Tom Korkus, Dr. Chris Hassasian, and esthetician Melissa Egan. They're here from Plastic Surgery Associates, the Spa at Plastic Surgery Associates, and the Blue Mountain Surgery Center. Thanks for being here, you guys.
Thank you, Tiffany.
Thank you, Tiffany.
I'm so excited to have you here. I've visited your location. It's stellar. I mean, what you guys do is second to none, and it's so fantastic. Talk a little bit about your location and what you guys do for people who have not been able to visit.
Well, Plastic Surgery Associates was incorporated in 1966 by my father, and we traditionally were a pure plastic and reconstructive surgical office. Up until recent, we started to realize the demands in the marketplace here regionally. And people are looking for less invasive procedures. And we, being a full-service cosmetic and reconstructive office, we felt that we needed to add those products in order to better educate patients so that they can get their results. What makes us very unique now, November, we opened up our MediSpa. And we now are full service. We do skin to injectables to lasers. But the unique thing that we have is we have our own on-site Medicare-approved operating facility. So if somebody comes in and they're looking to beautify themselves, we can offer them the full gamut right at one location. And it's very nice, convenient, and very private.
Well, and I think that's a great point, that it's so private and it's such a welcoming environment as well. And I like the fact that you acknowledge some people really want something that looks like they've had nothing done, so nobody really knows. You just look a little more well-rested, and somebody says, wow, you look really great. Did you change your hair? No, I did something at the spa. Or if they need something a little bit more, you can advise them on what results will, what technique will get them the results.
Right.
Talk a little bit about the operating room too. You mentioned that it's there, but you guys do everything from, like you said, the full-on mommy makeover and things like that, as well as sculpture.
Well, our operating room really offers, I think, the utmost in terms of patient convenience, privacy, safety, as well as being somewhat cost-conscious for our patients as well. And so it allows us to do the surgical part of our practice, which involves everything from facelifts, neck lifts, rhinoplasties, breast enhancement, body contouring, including abdominoplasties and liposuction. And again, one of the other things that we really thought long and hard about in terms of bringing other services into our practice was how do they complement each other.
Yes.
So when we do a facelift, a neck lift, or other facial surgery, we can really affect a dramatic improvement in appearance, but we can't improve the quality of the skin. For that, you need medical grade skincare line. You need laser, and we have a fantastic laser that really helps with some of the resurfacing that we do. You need phototherapy to help with pigmentation and other issues, and therefore allow us to really optimize the result as well as maintain that result over time.
I mean, I can tell you hands down, people, when they ask me, well, what did you change over the years, or why does your skin look different than it did then? It's because I stopped using drugstore stuff, and I went to medical grade stuff, and it makes a big difference in how your skin appears and how it works. What do you think makes the MediSpa different than other locations? Because that's really your specialty.
Absolutely. I think it's really important that we have quality people delivering the care for our patients. So registered nurses like myself and a few other injectors are trained in this. We know aesthetics, we know, the things that are most important to give people the best results. Then we have highly trained estheticians, and we have a really great knowledge of skincare and what works best for people.
Well, and I love when you come into a place and you see someone like you who's got beautiful skin, you're kind of like, I want what you do, And you're like, how do I get that? And you guys are so open and you're so comfortable, and it's such a beautiful, inviting environment. I think it makes people instantly feel welcome.
It does, and I think it's also great that we have the support of board-certified plastic surgeons behind us. So if there's something that we can't do for a patient, we have other options to offer them. We don't just need to operate. We also can give them less invasive things. We don't just need to do less invasive treatments. We also can offer surgical options. Yeah,
you've got huge specials, which I'll mention in a little bit, but one of them is about sculpture. So I just want one of you to just kind of explain a little bit what that is.
Well, sculpture is a laser-based, non-invasive fat reduction technology. And it's the newest kind of technology on the market for that. In fact, we're the first in Wisconsin to have it. And it is fantastic. It gives a great result, allowing for about a 25% reduction in fat for the areas. It takes 25 minutes. You're in and out. You can do it on a lunchtime, but it really gives a dramatic effect.
Is it hot or is it a cold feel?
It's a little bit of a hot feel.
A little bit of a hot feel.
A little bit of a hot feel. It's a tickle. There's no anesthetic needed. Very, minor discomfort during the process. Very well tolerated. We have a television in the room. People watch TV most of the time, and they're in and out.
I was so impressed when I saw it in person, when I saw your location, met with all of you there. I just think it's a beautiful thing, facility that you have, and such knowledge and experience behind it all. So I want to make sure everybody has an opportunity to take advantage of the summer specials that you have, including receiving 20 units of complimentary Botox with a purchase of 3 hydrofacials. So if you want skin like Melissa, start doing that. There you go. Start with the hydrofacials. Sorry, not you, Tom. I mean, you look good, but not as good as Melissa. It is also 15% off sculpture treatments located right now, and double coupon days for Brilliant Distinction coupons. So make sure you take advantage of those summer specials at the spa at Plastic Surgery Associates. They're located on Blue Mound Road in Waukesha. Stop on in, say I sent you. It's 262-970-5600 for more information. Thanks so much for being here, you guys.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Thank you, Tiffany.
Appreciate
very much.
it.